In this video, I will show you how to open Excel files in bulk. And this is a game changer because sometimes you want to open multiple files and you're trying to open one at a time. I'll show you how to actually open all of them at once. So let's say you have all of these files and you want to open them. One way to select all of them is to click on this box here. It will select all of them, or you can just press the shift first and then press the first file. It will select all of them, or you could decide to select one at a time, but I prefer to save myself some time and just use the shortcuts. So the next thing you will do now is just click enter. Now all of those files will open one at a time. See, they're all opening. You don't need to click with one and wait and click on the other one and wait and the like. So this is a quick trick to kind of save yourself some time and get a lot of things done at a quicker pace.